What's up guys, and welcome back to another video right onto my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna basically tell you how to fix that issue that your sound isn't working in Apex Legends or your voice chat isn't working in Apex Legends. So before we start right into the video guys, I just want to let you guys know that I would really appreciate if you just leave a like, a comment or a subscription right onto my channel. It will really help me out growing out my YouTube channel, supporting my project YouTube. So subscribing is free for you guys and would be a massive support for me and would really mean the world to me. So be sure to hit the subscribe button before we start right into the video. I'm gonna thank you for that now, and let's get right started. So the first step you're gonna basically do is obviously check if you have plugged in your mic or your headset correctly. And if you're not sure, just check and switch your USB ports in order to check also that. So afterwards you're just gonna navigate to the bottom left corner of your screen where it says Windows symbol, hit settings and go to system right here. Afterwards hover over sound and click on sound, and here you're gonna basically see which output and input device you're currently using, so be sure to hit the right one. So I'm gonna start with our input device, where we're gonna go to device properties right here and check if our mic is basically on full volume. You can also check occasionally for or you can test it. I can do that right now because I'm recording, so you could basically do that in order to check if it's working. The next step is you're gonna check if your disabled is turned off. Obviously if it's turned on, you're gonna just turn it off again, because afterwards, or otherwise it will be just disabled. So the next step is going to additional device properties right here. Once this window pops up, you go to device usage and check if this device is enabled. The next step is going to levels and check if your mic is on 100%. Afterwards you go to advanced and you need to check which one is the best audio channel for your system. I think CD quality or DVD quality should be the way to go. Afterwards you can basically go out, that's for your input device, and you can go to your output device, where you go to device properties and check if basically for the same things, if it's disabled, you're just gonna turn it off, it's disabled, and your balance if it's right. If basically just left or right is working, and here you see something like that, you're gonna check if it's you're gonna basically turn it back to 100 or whatever you want it. The next step is basically gonna get into additional setting device properties and check if you have the right or the best audio channel. The same is for levels, you check if it's 100, and on general you check device usage if it is enabled. Yeah guys, I hope I could actually help you out with this one. If it was like that, just leave a like, a comment or a subscription right onto my channel. It will really help me out. If you have questions, put it in the comments. Yeah guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. See you at the next one, and bye.